Ajewi Kamadaya Paubing. Manipur we assembly election he faced Kaniyaina Sarad Vaushok Hire. Chief Minister na Aruri Pungdak like government he transparency maintain sayada hang hire. Ukhrul District Timber Association we assembly Ajewi Tarik Thada Matitang Pumkida Laidale. Lay Kayang Thor. Adu the Tangkhul Express we Pau Chungsangla Jajo ina Pamidale. Pau Bing May Saina Ganagurumsa. Manipur we assembly election he faced Kaniyaina Sarada Vaushok Hire. Notification date he first phase winner 1st February kala second phase we hina 4th February na. Date of nomination first phase winner 8th February kala second phase winner 11th February na. Scrutiny of nomination first winner 9th February kala second phase winner 14th February na. Withdrawal of candidature first phase winner 11th February kala second phase winner 16th February na. Polling date first phase 27th February kala second phase winner 3rd March 2022 li Sara. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Gahang Atishud Development at Sin Singagagajivali Government Hina Transparency Maintain Sayada Samagra Shikshana Babu Bara Apam Chili Organized Kasa Uniform Distribution Function Chili Vazang the Hang Hire. Government Education Sector Limatailang Kahaya Attention Jit Mida Shinao Pinkala Schedule Caste Schedule Tribe Kala Below Poverty Line Likazanga Shimkurwi Naungarabing Government School Kadam Class 8 Aina Tangda School Uniform Kala Larki Kalemay na Mida Kalena the Majan Sanghire. States Kai Kali COVID-19 cases Matay Gasang Hiwi Maramli and Biren Singh the state government the Ayarwi Aino Ungazang Kajivali 48 hours with COVID-19 RT-PCR negative test report Sing Palungra Kajihi notification shock Mikavai Pau Mihaira da Hang. Notification hina Yarili Kahab Lay Salala Gazad Himanga Yaw Kavai COVID appreciate behavior Atam Gajida Mayon Mikavai Ngakaw Hire. Sector Gajivali Regasang hit Zingum Pangawi Alungdi Taquida Leda Hakasang Ainang Soda Greater Imphal Kala District Headquarters Pinghi RCC Shongfu Semkawai Kangaran Yakshok Hairada Hang. Education Minister Sorok Haibam Rajana Kahang Atishurda Government School Mingjan Kakuhi School Fagat Hansi Mission with Manga Aina Taga Chungsang Hairada Hang. Current financial year hili Kalemaina uniform sambangi gajiping hi 1,41,445 na kala hiwi ngachai shinau 72,407 ST mayarnau 39,975 SC mayarnau 2,831 kala BBL shimkro mayarnau 26,232 da zangdalai. Kala hiwi ngachai shinau 72,407 ST mayarnau 39,975 SC mayarnau 2,831 kala BBL shimkro mayarnau 26,232 da zanga da hang. Rajya Sabha MP Leshamba Sanajauba Commissioner Education M Hare Krishna Director Education SSPD Samagra Shiksha Manipur Il Nanda Kumar ASPD Samagra Shiksha Manipur Il Nanda Kumar ASPD Samagra Shiksha Manipur T Bhulan Education Department with officials School Oja Kalakatam now School Ngadadaida with Ainala Program Chili Rangurum. Ukhrul District Timber Association we Assembly Aji with Tarik Thada Matithang Pumgida Laidale. Assembly Gazipchi 3-in-1 Hotel Ukhrul Pungritang Nisara. Atam Nang Thorbung Thada Akali Haupokre. Ukhrul District Timber Association we member Sai Corona Magashoy Gazipchili Razang Miserluda. Ukhrul District Timber Association with General Secretary Wishong Aina Kang Hot Sandalay. Manipur Press Club with 47 Foundation Day Mayon Hire. CMN Biran Building Matang Mati Kajri. Manipur Press Club Imphal Chili Lift Sangmi Haura Kala Press Club with Hall number 1 Li Chowki Matakame Shinmi Haura that Manipur Press Club with 47 Foundation Day Kamayon Li Hongshok Hire. Gazib Chili Rajya Sabha MB Leshamba Sanajauba Kogendra Komdram President Editors Guild Manipur Wangkemja Samjai President AMWJU Kala Ariri Mediali Otsada Kale Kala Rida Saga Saping President Member Sada Rangurumia. CM ne Blankets Kala Gajon Manipur Press Club with founders Pingli Kala former secretaries Pingli Yaumia Kala Chi Ainang Soda Ariri Mediali Otsada Kala Rida Sag Sabing pension schemes Masampang Lakrang Kajipingli Paysawi Kangajon La Mihair. CM the Pau Mebing Kala Pau Shimping with Kasag Gajoji Pop Tami the advertisement with Paysa Mamirang the Kalaichi Wivang Maringa Pa Pongashok Ainang Soda Katag with Alumni Paysaji Mihaura the Hanghair. Idum the Paning Bai Chia and Biren hit reader Naharol Git Haudang with Idider Sasai Kala AMWJU with President Sasai. Let Luida Aji with Kamataya Paubing. Manipur with Assembly election he faced Kaniaina Sara the Vaushok Hire. Chief Minister na Ariri Pung the Clay government he transparency maintain Saya the Hang Hire. Ukhrul District Timber Association with Assembly Aji with Direct Hada Matitang Pumki the Laidale. Aji with Pau Hen and Changhira Nanada Intum Zai Correlate Sokami Zimik Shok Nasaserana.